after demolition or disturbance of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar statues, if you see the response from the Dalit leadership, each Dalit leader, each community Dalit leader condemned it, but they have not constructed. A people struggle. They were only confined to the media press conference and press notes. See, particularly the coastal Andhra leadership, it already divided into many segments. So there are for Mala community, there are very prominent. For example, Jupudu Prabhakar is one of the Mala Mahanadu leaders, and Karan Shivaji is one of the Mala leaders. I think Malal Venkatrao is also one of the Mala leaders. All of them are state leaders. All of them are they themselves interpreting or exposing themselves like they are Mala Mahanadu Rashtra state presidents. But what is that they are doing there? Of course, there are other people like they have done almost they have spent their life for the Dalit cause like Pratibha Mara and Bajra Tarakam. But their phase has gone. It is over. But the younger generation Dalit leadership is completely failed in organizing this our Dalit protest and this the subcaste question actually it has its own impact actually, but no one is speaking because everyone is afraid of telling the truth. My feeling is that when Ambedkar statues got this kind of or this kind of humiliations in one sense, what is that all subcaste leaderships are speaking? They have their own business actually. No one is coming forward to organize Dalit as a united force, at least for this cause. So this is actually as I said, every action, whether it is political party or the so-called social organization or community organization, they are actually taking every issue as a political mileage issue, not as a community oriented or not as a ideological related issue. That I think here also one side political parties and another side the so-called Dalit independent autonomous organizations also acting in a political mode rather ideologically confined.
How are the national medias and the mainstream medias are reporting us? Because I find that Telugu medias are reporting very well.
No, but Telugu media, as Ambedkar said, in India, this media, they never catch up or they never give a space unless Dalits or weaker sections are got involved into violence within court. They can't. They never give a space for a democratic voice. Even after demolition, even after it happens on 23rd and 26th. On 26th only they gave of course this vernacular media have given a little space. As you said, this national media, they don't want to. They not only now. When Ambedkar was alive, also they have not given any positive coverage. All the time he was taken into media only as a negative, only as a anti-national, anti-national movement. We know very well. So it will continue unless our people come into media. We have to suffer like that. But ultimately, media is not. Of course, media has its own role in creating or mobilizing peoples into one category. But my feeling is that will be there. I think we cannot do anything. We can only criticize that. So national media, as far as national media is concerned, it's very bad. Today only I have seen 2 channels who come here. That also they expected that there might be some violence. People might throw stones on shops or somewhere. So they want to catch up that to expose. This is the Dalit young generations are doing.
Not that
I have not seen their symbols, but English media has come today. They have covered something and they expected something, but that was not true because we have not planned for that, and we are very clear that we don't want to involve any kind of vandalism or violence because Ambedkar, being an Ambedkar, I think we should fight with the knowledge.